Hey, this is John. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Neewer NW-700 cardioid condenser microphone. The video description below contains quick notes and a timestamp of each section of the video. The microphone kit I purchased on Amazon, and the 48 volt Phantom power supply was also on Amazon. And they came together when they shipped it. It only took about 5 business days for it to get to my home. Alright, here we go with the box and the opening of these two items. Let's jump right in. And bear in mind, this video is the voiceover is actually done with the NW-700. So I pre-recorded the whole unboxing and I just did a voiceover. Alright, so the first item here is the pop screen filter, and inside the bag is the foam wind cap. And you have the scissor arm stand. And looks like you have the instruction manual. You have the, looks like a little marketing pamphlet with contact information, and the package contents, in which I am holding right now, just telling you each item and the names of them. And here we have the XLR to 3.5 millimeter cable, and it's a 3-pin. Just want to make sure that the spring on this release latch is working, and it is working indeed. Alright, put that away. Let's see what else is in here. It looks like here is the shock mount. Very solid build. I like it so far, no complaints there. And finally, the cardioid condenser microphone. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, very shiny, and I'm liking it so far. And that's a 3-pin as well, which is expected. And the last item here, it looks like, let me look through here, the table mounting clamp. Okay, perfect. And moving on is the Phantom power supply. As I'm doing this recording, there's a police vehicle with the sirens blaring outside. I don't know if you can hear that. Looks like the first thing you see is the instruction manual. It's a NW-100. I guess that's the model name of this Phantom power supply. Shows a diagram how to put everything together. And here we go with the items. Oh, I just bumped my microphone, sorry. Here we go. This is the XLR male to female microphone cable. Again, just want to make sure that the spring on this latch is functioning properly. And we have the power, power adapter here. And we have the power supply itself. And it's very solid build. It doesn't feel heavy, so I don't think it's like steel or any other metal that's pretty heavy. I think it's aluminum, so it's pretty light. And you have these fins on the sides. Seems like it looks like a heat sink, so it's got like a heat dissipating functionality. The button's working pretty good. 3-pin and solid. And here we go with the assembly portion of it. So I have the table arm stand assembled. Here we have the microphone being attached to the mount, and I just want to demonstrate to you the extent in which you need to play around with the arm stand, and you have to fiddle with it just to get the settings correct. So I could have easily edited that out, but I wanted to show you what it will seem like, so you can expect you know, some adjustments before you get it right. Here you have the pop filter. You just screw it on. That's really straightforward and self-explanatory, and once you get it on there, it's pretty easy to use. I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you found this video useful. Give me a thumbs up or down. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button to make sure you receive the latest videos. Thanks everyone.